Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your device in Duo Mobile. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your new iPhone ready. If you still have access to your old iPhone, that's even better. It makes the process faster. On a new iPhone, open the Duo Mobile app. Once you are in, tap Use or QR code. Now Duo Mobile will ask you how you want to add your account. If you still have your old iPhone, choose transfer account from another device. Open Duo Mobile on your old phone. Once you are in, tap the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. After that, tap on connect a new phone. A QR code or activation link will appear. Go back to the Duo Mobile app on a new iPhone. Tap use a QR code or open the activation link to finish setup. After setup is complete, your account will appear in the app. To test it, try logging in again. When you receive a Duo push notification on a new iPhone, tap approve. If the login works, congratulations, you have successfully changed your device in Duo Mobile using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.